Hey everyone, welcome back to the Farm Family Show, where the fun never stops. Today, we're out on the farm and we've got a big day ahead, feeding the animals, cutting the grass, and maybe even finding some hidden surprises. So get ready, kids. It's time for some farm-fastic fun. Let's go.
Hi guys, today we're going to cut the grass and take care of my animals. I'm going to take care of my cows, goats, and chickens. It looks like we should cut the grass, but which chicken do we have any grass? This is pretty tight. So let's open it. There's not very much. We should put some. There it goes. Oh, it overflowed. It looks like that's full. Look inside. It looks like we should do this. Close it back. It looks like we should be good to start cutting the grass. But first let me show you this. These are headphones so our ears don't hurt. And I'll show you how you put them on. Now I'm wearing these. Now I'm gonna take them back off. Now they're back off. That's how headphones work. Now I'm trying to show you how the glasses work. This is how the glasses work. You put them on so no grass gets in your eyes or the sun. It looks kinda good and brown when you wear these. When you wear regular glasses, well, not like these, they can still get like, you still see like the same. And with these, you see like other kinds. Like the grass is different. And I wonder how this is. Well, it looks like we should start cutting the grass. I'll show you how you put. First, we should put on the glasses, and now the headphones. Now I'm going to put this on. Okay, we're putting this on. Now they're on. It looks like let's cut the grass. Let's go take this to cut. Huh? Okay, we're turning this around. And keep the gas there if we run out. Let's go cut.
All right, kids, before we jump into the fun, let's talk about something super important on our farm, our lawnmower. Lawnmowers help keep grass nice and short, which makes it easier to walk, play, and even take care of the animals. When the grass gets too long, it can hide bugs, snakes, and sharp stuff. Yikes! So, mowing the lawn keeps our farm safe and clean. Plus, it's really fun to ride. Who's ready to fire it up and get mowing?
We should cut our grass today. Look how we started up. Let's start it. And mow. It looks like we should start right over here so it's easier. There we go. Go. Okay, now let's turn it off. Which show you how short the grass is. That's how long this is. And it depends how short this is now. And I'm going to show you the blade why you can't touch it. Look why you can't touch it. I was working this now. And now look at all of the green grass that is right there. Of that side. Because all of the green grass that we were cutting. To touch this blade because you could cut yourself and lose a hand. Because look how sharp it is. This is the why we never touch it. I hope you subscribe to my channel so we keep cutting the grass the most. Let's put these on. Oh my. Let's go to the compost. Are you following me? You should keep following me. This should be, that is very long that we should have cut it, but we cut it over there for like 10 minutes or 30 minutes. And this is the compost version climate like last time on the tornado video. That looked like fake and the coyote was a little prank and we were just trying to be like having fun. We just wanted to have fun because we make the most fun videos. Hi guys, we're gonna go check the cows. We're gonna see if they have enough water, and then we're gonna play hide and seek and ride the four-wheeler. The four-wheeler is the end of the video. Follow me. Let's go. You see me? Let's walk. We're just checking on our cows. If nothing happens to them, let's keep walking. It's actually so long, but we're going to cut tomorrow, and then after tomorrow, and then after tomorrow.
Now that the lawn is looking great, it's time for the best part, playing with our cows and chickens. Let's go say hi, give them some treats, and maybe even see if the chickens laid any eggs today. Are you ready, kids? Let's go have some farmyard fun.
Right here, cows, maybe 2 goats, and all of these chickens, and these 2 cows. Isn't this a lot of animals? What should these 2 chickens should be doing? His name is Cycle over there, because he attacks us all the time. Hi, this is all my animals. I should give my cow a little pet, or I should grab that chicken. I don't know, but I just don't want to get attacked by any roosters. Hi, rooster. Aw, this is the nicest one. This animal does. Her name is Jamie, Lulu, Blackie, Henro, and Psycho. Hey, get out of here. Fly. And this is Jamie, right here that I'm petting. Oh, ew, fly. So mean. Oh, what a nice one. Can we go play hide and seek? Let's play hide and seek, okay?
Hey kids, do you know why it's super awesome to have a farm with animals? Well, let me tell you why. I think it's really important. Number 1, animals help us. Cows give us milk, chickens lay eggs, and bees help plants grow by spreading pollen. Farms with animals help make the food we eat every day. 2, they teach us responsibility. Taking care of farm animals means feeding them, cleaning them, and making sure they're happy. It's a great way to learn how to take care of others too. 3, we learn where our food comes from. Instead of just seeing food in the store, we get to see how it's made from the farm to table. That's super awesome. Number 4, animals are fun and friendly. They each have their own personality. Some are silly, some are shy, and some just love cuddles. It's like having a bunch of furry friends. And number 5, Farms keep nature happy. Animals help make the soil healthy and keep everything working like a big team. When farms are taken care of, the earth is happier too.
People have to hide by themselves, or else I'll... Everybody's gonna be first. I have to hide somewhere else. Everybody...
Okay, where are you gonna hide?
Hold on, I think over.
Is she gonna find us? Is she gonna find us?
No. Somebody, no. People have to hide by themselves, or else I'll... Everybody's gonna be first. I have to hide somewhere else. Everybody...
Okay, where are you gonna hide?
Hold on, I think over. I see Mama, guys. I see Mama. Look at her. Oh no, monkey! Oh no, monkey! Everybody, go! No, everybody here! Oh no! I lied! Wait. Do I still get one more chance?
Yeah.
Good.
Where are they?
Where?
Now I'm looking.
Here?
They're here! No! He left! Guys, they're here! No! Get on the other side! Yeah! Coco, who was the winner? Play hide and seek. Hey, Mama, play hide and seek again.
Okay, let's play again.
One,
Go! Everybody, go!
2, 3, 4, 5,
We
6. Coming for you guys.
Thanks for watching our video, friends. We had so much fun mowing the lawn, playing with our cows and chickens, and exploring the farm with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another adventure. See you next time on Farm Family Show.